Are you tired of wrestling with complex code just to add a chatbot to your website or app? Today, we're going to show you how to effortlessly integrate powerful AI chatbots into your website or app without writing a single line of code. Yes, you heard that right. No coding required. To help you figure out which one best fits your specific needs, whether you're working with a tight budget or need a particularly complex chatbot, we'll guide you towards the perfect choice. It's much simpler than you might think. Now for the key step, integrating your chatbot into your website or app. We'll cover different methods like using embed codes, APIs, and plugins, giving you clear, concise instructions for each one. We'll also show you examples of how other websites and apps have successfully integrated their chatbots, giving you some inspiration. Finally, we'll touch briefly on some advanced features, like natural language processing customization, sentiment analysis, and chatbot analytics. So, are you ready to boost engagement and efficiency? Remember to subscribe, like, and comment below, and as always, feel free to visit our website for more resources. The power of AI is now at your fingertips, and it's easier than ever to implement.